Welcome all in ICT Co for You channel. Those who already subscribed, I am heartily thankful to all of you, and those who are new viewers, heartily welcome you all. In this session, we are discussing about Standard 12 Economic subject, Section C, D, E, 2, 3 and 5 marks respectively. So Standard 12 General Stream, Medium English, Subject Economics, Format 2020, Section C, D, E for 2, 3 and 5 marks. Keep in mind that these questions are important questions, but it doesn't mean it is directly come in your 2020 March exam. So it is only for practice paper. So it is important question, but it doesn't mean everything is from this. So chapter 4 and 5. In previous video we are seeing chapter 1, 2, 3 or 4. Here some of the extra 4 and 5 questions, 5 chapters questions are there. ખાસ નોંધ, આ પ્રશ્નો પ્રેક્ટિસ માટે છે, તેનું અર્થઘટન એવું નહીં કરવું કે આ જ પ્રશ્નો પરીક્ષામાં આવશે. कृपया ये आप अपने दिमाग में सेट कर ले कि ये सभी क्वेश्चन जो है उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि यही एग्जाम में आने वाले हैं. इट इज वन टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल, इट इज वन टाइप ऑफ प्रैक्टिस पेपर. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन आर देयर. Now you can see here for section C, 2 marks each. Question number 1, explain interbanking transaction. Question number 2, state the various utility and agents banking facilities. Question number 3, give 2 difference between savings accounts and current accounts. Question number 4, define and explain the meaning of central bank. Explain monetary policy. Explain the statement central bank is a banker to the government. Explain the meaning of repo rate and reverse repo rate. Explain the function of central bank and listed the name of types of money. Write only the name of qualitative measurement of RBI to money control. What is the traditional meaning of poverty? Explain the modern approach of poverty. What is international poverty line? Differentiate between absolute poverty and relative poverty. Write a short note on Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, that is PMRY. What are the objectives of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? What is poverty line? Explain in briefly. Pure drinking water and resident facilities. Now section C is over here for the chapter number 4 and 5. Now comes on chapter number 4 and 5 in section D for 3 marks each. Question number 1, define and explain commercial bank. Question number 2, explain in detail the secondary functions of bank. Question number 3, explain credit creation. 4, explain monetary functions of RBI. Explain CRR and SLR. 6, write a note on qualitative tools of monetary policy of Reserve Bank of India. 7, explain the monetary functions of Reserve Bank of India. 8, and list of qualitative measures and quantitative measures of RBI and explain this all in only one sentence. In last one, differentiate of commercial bank and reserve bank. Now this is section D is over here. Now comes on section E, that is 5 marks long SLF question are there for chapter 4 and 5. Explain the quantitative measures of monetary policy in detail. Second, explain the meaning of central bank and discuss its functions in detail. 3, explain the origin and development of concept of money. Explain the function of money. 4th, what are the main indicators of poverty in India? Number 5, what are the causes of poverty in India? 6th, write a short note on IRDP, that is Integrated Rural Development Program. 7th, explain employment oriented program from poverty eradication. 8. Discuss the measures to reduce poverty. 9th. Explain social reason for poverty in detail. 10. Explain in economic causes of poverty. Discuss the causes of rural poverty. So these are for section 5. I heartily thankful to all those who are watching this video, and maybe these questions are helpful in board exam, but keep in mind that these questions are not directly in your 2020 test of economics. So this is one of the important note for you. You just practice it. It may be not. So I am thankful to all viewers. Those who are still not subscribed this channel, subscribe it and get more from this. Evening chapters will be uploaded in 2 to 3 days. So I am here. Thank you all of you to watching this video till the end. Subscribe, share to all friends. Okay, thank you.